We're so happy to be back here to have held the Victims Fund Day for a second year. It's given the third sector another opportunity to be innovative and creative in delivering services for victims. And more importantly, it's given us another opportunity to bring together a panel of people from across South Wales who've been affected by crime, and they were the people who were making the decisions on who received the funding. We've heard some really strong presentations today and some really inspiring stories from people themselves who've been in receipt of the services. And the panel had a really difficult job in deciding who received the funding. Congratulations to everyone that took part today, and here's a flavour of the successful organisations that the panel chose to fund. Firstly, we have Welsh Women's Aid, and they are looking to work with survivors of domestic abuse in order to empower them to have an ongoing voice. Theatre versus Oppression, who look to find creative ways to work with victims to help them cope and recover. Safer Merthyr Tydfil, who run a peer mentoring service for victims of domestic abuse. Atalafro, who are delivering specialist services for victims of domestic abuse. And New Pathways, looking to increase the use of art psychotherapy in helping survivors of sexual violence. The Commissioner ended the day by sharing his vision for collaboration and partnership working across South Wales, and his commitment in working with the third sector, increasing volunteers and empowering victims to have a continued say in how we deliver victim services. Congratulations to all the organisations that applied to the fund and to those that took part in the event. We will be working with the organisations over the next 12 months to see how their projects progress and, more importantly, to see the difference that this makes for victims.